Okay, big day. I got the part in. I got the actual, not Volcano, the CHT, and I got the real one, the Bondtech, not the knockoff. Although according to Matt, it's supposed to work the same. So I've already installed it, and there it's installed. I know you can't tell, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try extruding. Let's see. So the next thing I did was do a bunch of extrusions and essentially show a white line coming out of an extruder thing. Not very interesting. I played with the temperatures, I played with the feed rates. I was able to get it up to about 32, 33 cubic millimeters per second without much trouble at all. So it's definitely extruding as much as it needs to be to keep up with the faster speeds of the 100. Big day. I actually got the Speedboat printing in under 8 minutes, like 7 minutes and something seconds, and I'm going to apply for a serial number with that build. Now, theoretically, I can get it down below 600. Below 6 minutes, below 5 minutes. I mean, the printer can do it, but when I try to run more acceleration, about 22,000 millimeters per second squared. If I run more than that, it starts to skip steps. It will, and the layers will shift. I don't know exactly why, but I can run it at that, and it goes and does just fine. I mean, it doesn't do amazing, but it doesn't fine. See, this is the one I'm about to show. The very next footage I'm going to show is the printer running from start to finish, and in one take in 7 minutes. And it starts, a couple things happen. First thing is it starts to shake itself off the table, so I had to reach in and push it back a little bit. And at one point, I don't have a filament holder. I just haven't bothered printing one out yet. It's just one of the polish steps, and the filament starts to roll around the front, and I push it back. Other than that, it's one take, and the reason I do that is because when you build the 100, Matt has generously offered to, I guess, validate and give someone, a builder, a serial number. And all you have to do to get that is post it working, fill out a questionnaire, make sure that everything was done correctly, and hopefully that's the next thing. So I'm going to post this at the end of this video, and I'm also going to create it separately so it can be posted by itself. And here you go.